Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota RAV4 rear wiper. Replacing your rear wiper blade is a simple maintenance task that improves visibility and safety. You will need a new wiper blade, typically costing around $15 to $25, and a small flathead screwdriver. This easy method takes less than 5 minutes to complete, ensuring you can quickly get back on the road with a clear view. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards or sideways, depending on your model, to detach it from the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or attachment point on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it is securely locked into position. Once the new blade is firmly attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to ensure it operates correctly. Observe if the new blade moves smoothly across the window and effectively clears away any water or debris. For best results, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering. This simple maintenance keeps your visibility clear and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.